Hi, I'm Jack from Veterinary IT Services, and this week I'm going to talk to you about what to do with your reviews. We've covered how to get reviews in a previous video, but that's a lot of hard work, and the last thing you'll want is to waste it. So today we'll talk about what to do with the reviews once you've got them. So starting with Google. First things first, if you're using Google My Business to gather reviews, then Google will be doing a lot of the hard work for you. These reviews will be easily available to view if a customer Googles your veterinary practice. And assuming you set up your Google My Business correctly, your potential new clients will have a fantastic summary of your practice in one easy to see place. But there are other areas that you might consider where you can use the feedback you're getting. Next up is your website. Why not have a section on your website dedicated to displaying your reviews? No matter what platform you're using, the likelihood is that you'll be able to have a live feed of up-to-date feedback demonstrating just how fantastic your service really is. You can even have a button on your site with a prompt to leave a review that links to your review URL, encouraging your current customers to add one too. Now, this section could be on your homepage, but if you wanted to go that extra mile, you could create a whole landing page dedicated to reviews and feedback. We're actually in the process of doing this ourselves, but more exciting details to come. Now, this could be a super powerful tool to direct potential new clients, but try to mix up some written reviews with video testimonials, or maybe two. Now, it's worth noting that if you are using Google as your primary source of reviews, that they do not currently offer a quick and easy way to display these on your website. Unless you have access to a developer, you will most probably need to use a third-party app. Now, there are loads of them around, and they are fairly inexpensive. We then move on to a review feedback hub. Now, something that we think is very clever, and we've seen one of our clients utilise, is having a tablet or thin client in their reception area, set up and ready to go for inputting reviews. At the end of each appointment, the receptionist asks the client's experience, then asks politely if they wouldn't mind leaving a quick review using the tablet, which is set up on a stand away from the reception desk. It's a bold move, but one that has been working very well for them. Finally, we move on to acknowledgement. Now, this is the most important thing, that you do not leave reviews and feedback unacknowledged. No matter what review platform you're using, be sure to reply to every single one. Yes, even the not so positive ones. In fact, we go so far as to say it's the most important thing to do to respond to the negative reviews. But remember not to take these personally and respond rationally.